Hi, how are you? Ali with EA Home Design. I come up with the new beautiful bathroom. This bathroom is gorgeous with lots of functionality. I'm gonna go over all of that right now. The shower was here, another toilet room was on the other side. We convert the shower to the toilet room. We gave them 2 toilet rooms on the both side, and we gave them the bigger door on the entrance. Okay, and on the both side, as you see, and the corners, we do have the 2 shower head on the both side. This was like angle clips, and nothing was here, nothing was there. Here was a top, and we add the frame, no curb shower pan here. As you see here, no curb shower pan and wet room. We gave them wet room. They don't need any glass panel on this side, the other side, because this wet room is huge and big. On this side, we gave them the very nice vanities that all drawers, you can use all of them, even under the sink you can use them. And you have the very nice mirror with the light that is a flat light. The light is flat with the backsplash, flash with the backsplash, and you can see the very nice shower set on the both sides. They have a huge, very huge rain shower and very nice shower area and top area. Okay, please comment me below if you have any question. We are happy to help.